Wow, it's kind of crazy seeing how much the river rearranged over here. This was never like this before, that's for sure. Oh, that's deeper than it looks. Whoa, okay. All right, well, we're gonna walk up a little higher to cross, I think. Dang, that means that's deep right there. Hey everyone, so today we are back to the river, which feels so fantastic. I mean, I know we were last week too, but we had to use a boat to access the river last week. Today I can do it on foot, and that's just exciting because, yeah, it's been several months and ridiculous flooding since I've been able to do this. And I'm at a spot I go to a lot, and it is just mind-blowing how different everything looks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. If I'm finding that during the intro, I'm excited. That's a gorgeous waterline. Oh my gosh, look right next to it. Okay, how big is this? Oh, way bigger than I was expecting. Dude! Okay, I am now very, very hopeful. Also, if you've ever wondered why I'm not looking directly at the camera during my intros, it's for instances just like that. All right, swapping shoes again. Man, this is crazy. This looks unrecognizable. It's so different. This time of year, this is a perfect example of why it's so hard to hunt this time of year. Kind of just looks like a dull, drab rock, right? Wrong. That is a very nice jasper. Nice orange jasper. I think I'm gonna keep it. I just wanted to show you guys because that's what they all look like right now, but that's what's hiding underneath. That's why the sun is so very helpful. Man, this is just crazy. Everything is so rearranged down here. New logs. The gravel patches are all different. And the rocks are just filthy. We will have our work cut out for us today. Well, that looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous little cutter. Oh, wow. Yep, I like that very much. So I just rounded the corner and looked up, and there is just this huge patch, way bigger than it used to be, of clean gravel, and I see what is potentially a pretty jasper. Yep, that is definitely a pretty jasper. All right, well, I'm gonna search this little bar. I think it could be pretty good, you know? Who knows? Okay, the second I turned the camera off, I found this just stunning red and orange jasper. That's gonna be so nice. Gonna cut this one ASAP. Okay, this might be something cool. Ooh, I think that is a nice jasper. Boy, thank you for throwing rocks on me, bud. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's super nice. I think we gotta keep that one. That's gonna be so nice to cut. I would go as far as saying that this is tragic. This used to all be gravel. And all of this sand just freshly moved. There's a little pocket of it right there. This used to be a huge gravel bank. Dang it, that's just the nature of the Yellowstone, unfortunately. Some years runoff makes spots better, sometimes runoff makes spots worse. Dude, this is crazy. So I'm not like looking a whole lot at the moment. I'm about to start looking more seriously. I'm obviously looking while I walk, but I'm just kind of like at a loss for words, man. This spot is totally 100% different than it used to be. Everything is different. I also think we'd benefit a lot from some rain because these rocks are filthy. Wow. I love this piece of banded shirt so very much. Wow. All right, we're gonna cut that up and tumble it. Hey, there we go. That looks pretty decent. Ooh, it's got some bots. Heck yeah. Ooh, I see some good bands in there. Ooh, is that a blue agate I spy? Oh, it's got such nice bands right there. What? It's straight up blue. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna put that in my pocket, not the bag. And when we get somewhere where I can stop and get it out, and so it's safe, I'll get a close up on my other camera because that thing is gorgeous. All right, so two things. Jasper I want to investigate. Oh wow, yeah, that's super pretty. I'm gonna toss that straight into the tumbler. And this right here. Ooh, That is a beautiful piece of agatized wood. You know what, I just realized I actually have not found like any agatized wood today, or petrified wood. Huh. Huh. All right, if that's what I think it is, I'm gonna get super excited. Oh gosh, that's bigger than I thought it was. Oh, that's upsetting. I saw that patch, here I'll flip it over and show you. Saw this patch right there, and that is what I thought it was. That's green jasper, but it literally is just attached to rhyolite. This isn't jasper. I'll just leave it. I think I'm about to freak out. Oh, look at that banded little beauty. Oh, that's so nice. Again, I'll show you this one with the other camera too. That is just so banded. I'm right by some little gravel, and I'm actually finding some super pretty stuff in here, like this jasper. Oh yeah, that's a good jasper-agate. Wow. And this right here. Dang, this ground is just cooked. There we go. Looks like a nice water line. Ooh, yep, nice water line. I love that color. That's so weird. All right, well, I'm happy. Think I see another agate? Yeah, there's one. Little guy. Man, the sun just bakes that sand and they're just like cooked into place. All right, that's another nice one. Good color. Looks like the gravel is kind of widening out a little bit. That's good. That's good. Oh, hey. Did I see? This is why I'm saying that's good, because there's... man, they're just so locked in there. I think I see nice bands on the face of this one. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna cut this one too. Speaking of, we're gonna do a cutting video very soon, and by very soon, I mean tomorrow. Hey, Agates. Wow, those are pretty. Nice amylite layer on those. Let's see. Oh, hey, there's a piece of one right there. Oh no, that is a whole one. Man, those have great color. And a little piece of one. Floyd, hi bud. Yeah, I think I'll keep those. I can prep them. Look at that agate hiding. Ooh, that is super mossy. Wow. That is gorgeous. Heck yeah, all right. I'm happy about that. There's another nice agate. Whoa. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not, but there's like a wonderful blue tone on this agate. It's probably the Tyndall effect, but it's still pretty. Check that out, you guys. Piece of petrified wood, not too bad. And a black agate. Wow, that's dark. Ooh, and it has some spots. Cool, well, I'm definitely keeping that one. I don't know about the piece of petrified wood. Probably not. All right, so I just spotted something that I was actually gonna ignore completely, and I flipped it over and saw that. And I think this might be a little nicer than I thought it was. First I was like, it's either a jasper or a milk agate. Whoa! No. No, it's not. That's a Montana agate with blue. What? Okay, that's probably my best find today so far. That is awesome. All right, so I'm sorry. I set my camera down for a minute, so I didn't record finding them. But just found this fantastic banded, very banded agate. It's gonna be wonderful. And I found this really, really unique agate. Like an orange color. That's so pretty. Then this one right here, which just has so much banding. It's gonna be fantastic. And then lastly, this is awesome. This is a piece of jasperized wood. How cool is that? The agate veins in there, that's so pretty. Okay, so these were the ones I wanted to get close-ups of. That is one gorgeous agate. It's gonna be wonderful to cut, I think. So much bands. And then that little one right here. It's so banded, I don't think it's even showing up on camera. Oh, it's so pretty. And then this one right here. Hi, Cy. Hello, Cyrus. This one right here. Look at the bands. There's so much bands. Oh, it's so pretty. That one might actually be a true blue. That's gorgeous. Loving that. All right, I just saw something and sprayed it off and froze in my tracks. What? Oh my gosh. Sorry, one sec. Rinsing this off for you guys. Oh my gosh. Wait for it. What in the world? That looks like a dang fair burn. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. Alrighty, well, I just split a rock. There's an ammonite right there, and there's a nice ammonite right there. Cool. I'll take it. Why does this have to be so big? Oh. Why? Why does this have to be huge? That's a really nice jasper. As awesome as it is, I don't think I have the energy to haul that out. But I do have the energy to haul out this pretty little agate. Oh, who's calling me? The more important question is, I have reception right now? Well, I love the color on that little guy. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty. It's so orange. Is that wood? Sure is. Very, very agatized wood. Now that is a very nice piece of agatized wood. Ooh, the end grain is like red. That's awesome. All right. All right. All right, guys. Well, we found some fantastic stuff, but I think the time has come to head back to town. So yeah, I will see you all there. We'll get everything rinsed off, and yeah, I think they're gonna get even nicer. All right, it is later in this same day. I was gonna wait till tomorrow to go back to the shop and clean everything up, but I got too antsy. So here we are, and it all looks great. Let's get closer. Okay, we're gonna start with fossils. I don't have time to prep any today, but we will be prepping them very soon, because these just have such nice color in there. Good reds and yellows. There's another one. Yeah, that is gonna be wonderful. And then beautiful ammonite hiding right there. So we definitely have to prep that at some point. Next is gonna be petrified wood. Just two that I wanted to highlight. The rest all just, you know, kind of look like typical petrified wood. So we got this one right here, which has some pretty grain, but it also has a bunch of chalcedony pockets throughout the whole thing. So I think we're gonna need to cut this at some point. I mean, just look at that end grain. That's gonna be awesome. And then this one takes the cake by far. This is jasperized wood. And look at that end grain. Orange and clear chalcedony. That's insane. I absolutely love that. I don't even know if I have the heart to cut that, but it would make some insane slabs. I think, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm torn. Next would be Jaspers. Sorry, I'm getting it wet really quick. This was definitely our biggest keep of the day. That'd be this thing right here. Really nice though. Got nice botryoidal pockets. It's got spots and clear chalcedony. Lots of color variation. Yeah, I'm thinking that might be really good because when you get up close, it's got such nice texture and pattern in there. Yeah, we might have to make some slabs on this. And then this steals the show as far as Jaspers go, by far. I don't think this is a Jasper. It's probably a TSA, Treasure State agate, but oh my gosh. Look at that thing. When I picked it up, I just saw a little bit of yellow because I was seeing this, and I was like, ooh, Jasper. Picked it up and rolled it over, and yeah. I am excited. That is wonderful. And then lastly would be our agates. I wasn't hunting super hard. It was more scouting than anything. But that, so, you know, we didn't find like a bunch of monsters, but I am so satisfied with the quality of the agates we found. Those bands are gonna be so nice when we cut into this one. It's just so nice. And then we got this one, which is just so mossy. Oh, it's gonna be so nice. It's so dark. Yeah, we gotta cut that ASAP. And these two surprised me. We didn't just find one blue. We found two. And look at the bands on that beautiful agate. I really hope the camera captures the depth of that blue, because it really is. I thought it was just Tyndall effect, and I got it cleaned off, and yep, it's still blue. Oh, it's so pretty. And then this one had to be my favorite agate of the day, mainly because I didn't think it was an agate at first. It's got a beautiful blue crust on the outside. And then I started noticing all that texture in there. Kept rolling it over as I washed it off, and yep, sure enough, there's a little banded pocket in there. That is a nice dark agate with blue. It's blue. Alrighty, well, that is going to do it for this one. Man, it felt so good to be back on the Yellowstone. I know we were last week, but it's different when you can access it via boat. You can actually start rock hunting the Yellowstone from boat sooner than you can by foot. So being able to walk on the Yellowstone, it felt so good. That being said, it is freshly down, so all the rocks are filthy. So we may need a few more good rains before we can really start like hitting the spots really good. But that being said, I am definitely going to be going to a few of my other spots to do some scouting. Before this video wraps up though, I wanted to say that today is the day that I have been excited and nervous about. It is September 3rd, which means my second channel launches today. The first video will be coming out at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. We're actually going to be doing a premiere, so I would love it for all of you to come join me in the chat over there. It's going to be awesome. We've got like, what, 4 or 5 videos done over there so far, and it's been so much fun. The projects have been so cool, and my psychotic half got let out of the dungeon, and I'll just say that. He's been given free reign of a channel of his own. So again, today at 5 p.m. Mountain Time, I would love to see you guys all over there. I'll have a link in the description and somewhere on the end card. I think I can do that. Pretty sure I can do that. Let me know which find was your favorite down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you feel that I earned it. We will be doing this kind of stuff a lot now that the river is finally back. I'll have links to various things up in the description. And yeah, I think that's going to do it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time.